Hey guys, welcome to Andy's channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join Windows inside the program in Windows 11. So here we go. First of all, go to settings and find Windows Update. Go to Windows inside the program. And from here, you have to add your Microsoft account. You can make a new one, or if you already have an account, you can just sign in with that account. Once all done, now here are 4 channels that you can select. I'll suggest you to select the beta channel. Here there are 3 other channels, but I'll suggest you to select the beta channel. So once done, it will require a restart. So now I'll just restart my PC and let's see. So guys, I'm restarting my PC and let me just show you there that I have successfully joined the Windows Insider program. So guys, this is how you can become a Windows Insider. So that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.